So I'm out here at a job today in KFC in Miranda. Basically they've just gone over to fibre to the curb, well they're supposed to have. Now they've had an NBN tech come out here, I don't know, it's probably about a week ago, within the week. And he's basically come here, basically said, okay, it's all ready, you just got to plug this into here and this into here and it should come on. But nothing came on. So they've called me out today to come and try and work out what's going on. So when I got here, you can see here this socket there was the socket that had their ADSL on it. And that runs down to a little mainframe MDF underneath here. So that's that Cat5 cable you can see there. And that basically runs up to that socket there. Now, what happened, they had, whoever this tech was needs a slap on the wrist because he had this one plugged into here and then that was splitting off, one going to the FTTC device and the other one going over the old ADSL modem. So when I've run my test on it to see what's going on here, as you can see they're still connected to ADSL 2+. There is no fibre to the curb actually connected here. Now this is a business, obviously, KFC, so they've been having dramas because they can't have got, you know, their internet's not working and they're just relying on this now running off the mobile, which you can see here the signal's pretty weak anyway. So this is 100% an NBN issue. This is really quite dodgy because they should test this, at least see the lights coming on, and whoever's plugged that in, he's plugged it in and split it off, one to the DSL modem and one to the fibre to the curb device here. So that's just horrifically wrong, and whoever done that is a muppet, an absolute muppet. So yeah, this going to need to go back to NBN or Optus because they're with Optus, and this guy's going to have to come back here, work out, you know, even if it is here, I'm not going to go through and test each one of those individually to see if it's on here because there's nothing tagged. This wasn't even open. The guy never even came to here, so there's a good chance it's not even connected to anything. All right, so the guy apparently was only here really quick. Didn't do a great deal, just sort of said, oh, you just got to plug this into this and it should work, and just ran out and then said, look, I'm going to come back. I need to come back to finish this off, and then he never came back. And then their phones didn't work, nothing's worked, so they've been having no end of problems. So this needs to get sorted out ASAP, as this is a business and they need their internet to operate.